Welcome back to the Car Collection, where everyday legends get their spotlight, and today, we're looking at one of the most iconic names in the game, the 2026 Toyota Corolla. Reliable, efficient, and now more tech-savvy than ever, the Corolla is proof that you don't need flash to be a bestseller, you just need to deliver, every single time. At first glance, the 2026 Corolla doesn't shout, it speaks with quiet confidence. The exterior gets a subtle refresh with sharper LED lighting, a cleaner grille design, and refined body lines that bring a more upscale presence to this compact classic. It's sleek, modern, and unmistakably Toyota. Under the hood, you're getting a proven formula with some smart upgrades. The base model features a 2.0L 4-cylinder engine pushing out around 169 horsepower, while the hybrid variant delivers solid fuel economy north of 50 miles per gallon, a huge win for daily drivers. CVT is standard, but Toyota's tuning makes it smooth and responsive enough for most. Inside, it's more refined than ever. Toyota has added a larger infotainment touchscreen, now 10.5 inches in some trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Updated materials and soft touch surfaces for a more premium feel. And a new digital gauge cluster that brings a techie vibe to the cockpit. You also get Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 across the board, think pre-collision assist, adaptive cruise, lane trace assist, and more. It's not just safe, it's smarter. Prices? Expected to start around $23,000, with hybrids and upper trims reaching into the $28,000 to $30,000 zone. Whether you want basic commuting or efficient luxury on a budget, the Corolla lineup has a flavor for everyone. So here's the question, does the 2026 Corolla still rule the reliable daily driver segment? Or is it time to pass the crown? Drop your take in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay locked to the Car Collection, where every drive begins with a story.